Good morning, students. Welcome to our online physical education class. Dear students, now I am going to discuss with you the topic meaning and importance of wellness. That is a subtopic of chapter 3, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Your third chapter, that is physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle, and the subtopic of that chapter, that is meaning and importance of wellness. That thing we will discuss now. Understand? So first of all, we must know about the meaning of wellness. So wellness, it is, we can say it is the ability of an individual to lead a balanced life. Understand? That means it relates to good health, active physical life and positive mental ability. Okay, we can say this such that requires for a good social life, psychological balance, stress free emotional life, ideal spiritual life. Okay, these are comes under wellness. So we can say it again, wellness is the capacity of an individual to lead a well balanced life. It is made up of multiple of dimensions, that is physical wellness, mental wellness, emotional wellness, spiritual wellness, social wellness, occupational wellness, environmental wellness, like so on. But in the recent year, the concept of wellness, that is staying healthy and achieving a highest potential for well-beings. Okay, that is very much popular. Understand? Nowadays, that is why different agencies or different corporations that have developed wellness program in India or abroad. Okay, in other countries it is developed earlier, but India nowadays it is rapidly developed the physical fitness program. Okay, wellness program, that means wellness program stress on proper nutrition, regularity and appropriate physical activities, exercises, stress management, no to smoking, no to alcohol and drugs, and weight control also. Okay, the physical education program can make a significant contribution towards wellness in many ways. That is, the program can provide individual with the skills and knowledge to exercise properly. This program also can provide individuals in another way, that is develop abilities to participate in a variety of sports. That is also another meaningful and satisfying for every individuals. This program also teach individual variety of stress management techniques also. Okay, so in different ways that wellness or this wellness program will give us benefit. Understand? But nowadays or in the recent year it is rapidly developed. Understand? So how to maintain the optimal level of physical wellness, just 2 or 3 points I would like to share with you. Okay, you just listen. First of all, always engaged in physical activities every day, 30 minutes or 30 minutes per day. Okay, it may be continuous or it may be break up with 10 minutes or anyway. Understand? Then whenever always use stairs instead of elevators or escalator, and walk whenever possible. Okay, if it is possible, then you always prefer to walk. Then learn to recognize warning signs when your body begins to feel ill, or eat a variety of healthy food items and control the portions of your meal. Okay, never take heavy diets or much diets. Always take variety of nutritious food, but don't take much at a time. Okay, that is depend upon your body. How much food is depend, or your body capacity is there to take. You must take that amount of food, nutritious food. And another way, it is also depend upon your exercises, physical activity programs. Okay, the physical activity programs, that is not equal to all. Some activities that is general for all the people they are doing that thing. Okay, and some are necessary for a sports persons. A sports persons, definitely there is some special type of physical activity programs. They need much amount of nutritious food, but general people every day they are doing a general type of physical activities programs. They need that amount of food whichever or whatever is needed for their body. Okay, and at last, maintain a regular sleep schedule and get at least 6 to 8 hours sleep every day. Okay, one day, that means 24 hours. Out of 24 hours, 6 to 8 hours sleep, that is necessary for everyone. Understand? Another way we can say that maximum or almost all the parents of our country, they want to maintain and improve the healthy of their children. Okay, so that is why whenever it is necessary, they take them to the best doctors. But it is reality, if their children are doing, or if they will do a very or spare very few times, that means 30 minutes for a day. Okay, out of 24 hours, only 30 minutes they spare their time towards physical activities programs. Okay, so that they may improve and maintain their wellness throughout their life. They never face any type of problems. They protect from themselves from different types of diseases, and always they will be happy in their future life. Understand? So let us to discuss about importance of wellness. First one is social wellness. Social wellness means it is the ability to relate to other people and connect with them. Okay, the ability to establish and maintain positive relationship with family members, friends, colleagues, and contribute a social wellness. Then emotional wellness. Emotional means the ability to understand and cope with challenge that life may bring in. Okay, the ability of acknowledge and share feeling of anger, fear, sadness, stress, hope, love, joy, happiness, and other things, those who are comes under emotional things. Okay, that thing will be controlled through physical activities programs, and emotionally wellness, that should be controlled. Okay, contribute emotional wellness. So physical activity program that also contribute to physical wellness. Then spiritual wellness. Spiritual means it is the ability to establish peace and harmony of an individual's life. That thing an individual will get through physical activity program. Okay. But nowadays every people, every individuals, they are busy in their life. Suppose the senior members of the society, they are busy their work, the students, they are busy their study, okay, and each and everything, everybody is busy in their work. So during their busy schedule they must have spare some times or 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes per a day for physical activities program, okay, that will just decrease their stress power, because in the whole day if they are busy their works, the students they are busy their study, the parents they are busy their works, understand. So if they spare a few minutes of a day for their physical activities program, okay, that is why they will decrease their stress power, whatever is accumulated during their working hour, understand, and they will be happy, enjoyment, and living in the society, living with the family members happily, okay, and it gives them peace and harmony also. Then environmental wellness. Environmental wellness, it is also the ability and self responsibility for the quality of air, quality of water, and land also that surrounds us. Okay, that is called environmental wellness. That environmental wellness, if we have good knowledge about that, we must keep that things or keep them neat and clean. Due to that reason our environmental wellness will be developed. Understand, the ability to make positive impact on the quality of environment, and it be in home, in community, and also in planet, that contributes to environmental wellness. Then occupational wellness. Occupational wellness means an individual to work hard and earn their livelihood with honesty, okay. It helps to achieve balance of work and leisure, and also gives satisfaction. It also gives occupational wellness. And at last, intellectual wellness. Intellectual wellness means wellness that requires positive intellectual activities or attitudes. It involves an individual's behavior, individual's intelligence, individual's alertness, individual's thinking, concept, each and everything, okay, that comes under intellectual wellness. Through physical activities program, their intellectual wellness also developed. And physical wellness, it is the ability to maintain a healthy and quality life, okay, that allows an individual to get through daily activities programs without fatigue or without physical stress. Whatever they are doing, definitely they do each and every physical work nicely without any fatigue or without any problem, if they have or they are doing every day or they are joining or doing every day the physical activities programs, okay. These are the comes under importance of wellness, okay. And in the next period we learn the meaning of lifestyle and importance of lifestyle. Okay, one by one we will discuss it. Okay, in this chapter, first of all, we learn the objectives of this chapter. Okay, then introduction part, then meaning of physical fitness and improve of physical fitness. Then today we learn meaning of wellness and importance of wellness. In the coming period we will learn about meaning of lifestyle and importance of lifestyle. Okay, thank you children. Thank you. Have a nice day.